Hi guys, so I wanted to show you how I edit my thumbnails for YouTube videos. So the first thing, we open Photoshop, then click open, then choose the photo that you want. And then it opens up in Camera Raw. I do the effects that I want. So I'm adjusting the exposure, contrast, highlights, until I feel it's okay.
Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby.
And then I click open image.
Babe, snuggle, baby.
So when it opens, I add a new layer by pressing Ctrl J. And then I click on image, canvas size,
Let me drive you crazy.
and I change the width to 1920 and the height to 1080,
Let's get stupid lazy.
and then I adjust the image so that it fits the new window.
Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild.
So you can do this until you feel it's okay and you like the image. You click on enter, file, and then save as JPEG, and then save, and that's it. You have a high quality image that perfectly fits the YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.